Free me. Ski TV documentaries.
You see this thing here? Not a joke. Taxi man them for no say a hustle man a hustle. Get to you, them a hustle, them a hustle. To all the style vendors on the eagle as this. Hustle man a hustle. Want the food, so a hustle man a hustle. We not stop from trying. We must it, mama don't cry. I tell you, believe me now. Well man, want money in them pocket. All who have gun go lock it. Violence and crime rate to no fi drop it. Cause man want food. Hustling, hustling. One day me say me must get rich money. In the safe invest just in case. I fi make sure me build my base.
I didn't know you were here. Welcome to Ski TV. I'm your host Lenski. Well, good morning. It's another day here of this long Christmas holiday. Just patiently waiting to go back to K-Vale to continue my studies. Now, I just woke up and I'm home. I have nothing to do. You know what? I think I should make today an adventurous day. Let's go to Beckway. You want to come with me? Let's go.
Him have a need for speed, mix that with him need for weed. The car crash, so him have a need for breathe. And not walk your drip, but the car a drift. Man a expert, when the car a shift, we drive standard, not automatic. When we see vibe up, we never panic. And no Xbox, but we faster than Sonic. It kinda ironic. 0 to 60 in 8.5. We are take it to them direct and live. Since we 9 years old, man a drive. Hit 60 in a the Corolla. Still a talk on the Motorola. Have a Guinness in a the cup holder. Man a real high roller. Hit 60 in a the Corolla. Still a talk on the
Beckway is the largest Grenadine island located south of the mainland, approximately 9 miles away. It is accessible by small planes and ferries. But today I'll be heading to the Kingston cruise ship boat to catch the Beckway Express 2 ferry, which will take me to Beckway in at least 1 hour. Now 1 hour is a long time. I wonder what kind of sights I'll see. I just wonder. I can't wait. As you can see, boat coming in. That'll be our charter to Beckway. Can't wait. There's my boat. Better walk quickly before I miss the boat. Beckway Express 2 on our way to Beckway. Now this is a nice and sunny day. Now we're just patiently waiting for the captain to hurry up. move this boat so we could go and see some sights. As you see, we right now here in Kingston Harbour. See all the other boats here. That building right in the middle there, that's where I used to teach intermediate high school. Look at beautiful Kingston. And this is the open seas that we are about to ride. Patiently waiting on the captain who is in this room. Tell him to hurry up and move this boat, because I got sights to see. Well, it's been about 30 minutes here waiting on this boat to move. Got to hurry up. Want to see some sights, man. Need to feel the breeze in my hair. You know what I'm saying?